Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and this is the OnePlus 6. I've reviewed it, I've done a camera comparison and a battery test on it. I've been using the OnePlus 6 since it came out about a month ago as my daily driver, which is really weird because I actually have a drawer here full of phones like the iPhone X, the Galaxy S9 Plus, the Huawei P20 Pro, and a bunch of other ones, which are all amazing phones. And this is not a paid video in any sense of the word, this is my own opinion. But I'm actually choosing to use the OnePlus 6. I love the camera, I really like the software, that Android 8.1 with Oxygen OS is so fast, and also the fact that you get gesture support. You can do everything through your fingers like that, back, home, recently used apps, which means you get rid of nav bar keys. And going back to any other Android phone right now, before we get to Android P, just feels a little bit old-fashioned compared to this. I really do like the OnePlus 6, and of course, the value for money. This starts at about £460, this one's about $520, a lot less than other flagships. But as nice as this OnePlus 6 is in this mirror black finish, I'm actually really excited to open this one because this is the brand new OnePlus 6 Red Special Edition. I don't know how many they're making, I don't know how long it's gonna go on for, so when OnePlus got in touch and asked if I would be interested in doing an unboxing of the new OnePlus 6 Special Red Edition, I thought, yes, why not? Because fundamentally it is the same phone, but in a prettier color, and who wouldn't want to look at that? So from the front it looks the same as the other one, but I reckon if we turn this over, look at that, that is absolutely beautiful. In the box, everything is the same as before. We've got the dash charger, and actually all this OnePlus stuff from the USB cable to the box all kind of matches with this new red color. And also I do like the fact that they bundle a case with it, and because it is a transparent case, that actually means that we can probably put this on and it doesn't completely take away from that beautiful red color. And I know a lot of you guys will be thinking, Tom, it's the same bloody phone, why are you going on about it? And you know what, it is, it's true, but so often it's hard to tell phones apart. A lot of people, as soon as new colors are introduced to the iPhone range or the Galaxy range, people love it. People love, having slightly different looking phones, not just black mirrors. And it is such a beautiful looking color, it really does make the OnePlus 6 look that bit more special. So OnePlus say there are 6 panels of glass that make up the back of this phone. And this red one actually has an extra anti-reflective layer, which they say creates a sense of depth by allowing more light to reach the bottom layers before then reflecting off the device. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually a very subtle orangey color to it. They say there's a translucent orange layer. The OnePlus logo and the trim around the fingerprint reader and the camera lenses is also gold, so it's like a red and gold combo. This is such a beautiful phone. And the other thing I'm noticing is it doesn't pick up fingerprints or smudges nearly as easily as the mirror black one, which I've got here. They're both great looking in their own right, but I do think the red one stands out a lot more, doesn't get as smudgy or fingerprinty, and I'm very happy with this new one. I'm gonna make this my new daily driver, I think. But aside from the color and the different default wallpaper, this is identical in every other regard to the other OnePlus 6. It's the higher spec model, so we're looking at 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, along with the Snapdragon 845 processor and this huge, beautiful 6.3-inch AMOLED screen. So under the hood, it is exactly the same as before. This is purely an aesthetic difference. It's the special edition red version. And I know listening to what I'm saying, this is coming across as like a paid or sponsor video. It really isn't. I am just very positive about the OnePlus 6 in terms of its performance, its style, its price and value for money, especially when you consider the competition. So this is the red one. It will cost you £519. Definitely go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to find out more. And so that is the new OnePlus 6 Red Special Edition. Let me know what you make of it in the comments below. Would you go for this, or maybe the mirror black, or even the midnight black option of the OnePlus 6? Let me know in the comments, and also vote in the poll at the top right. Let me know which one you would go for. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do click that like and subscribe button, as well as that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And I'll see you guys next time right here on the Tech Chat. Thanks for watching.